Hello.
Hmm,
Hello. How are you?
why?
You're fine, but mhm. But your sounds you're so tired right now. Your sounds like you're so tired.
No, I don't feel tired.
You're tired? Why? What are you
I'm
doing?
not tired.
Ah, you're not tired. Oh, why are you late?
Huh?
Why are
Why?
you why are you late?
Some
Hmm?
friends.
Where is your
Uh,
assignment? Why you didn't attach your assignment in the group chat? Hmm.
I think we got
Your report, I know, no assignment. Your report activity, why you didn't attach on the group chat?
something forgot that I have to.
You
I have
forgot
so
it.
many. I have so many things to do now.
Oh, there's so many, you are so many things to do right now. What is that? What are the things you
First,
need to do?
the test.
Hmm.
First,
Are you busy?
yes, I'm busy now.
Mhm.
Is the final the
Mhm.
second final term test.
Ah, it's a second final exam.
Yes,
Oh,
so
and
it has many tests for me.
and what subject is that? What
Every
subject is
subject,
that?
math, Vietnamese, English,
Vietnamese, English. Do you want me to help your English subject?
history. What?
Do you want me to help your English exam?
Oh, God,
Okay.
I
Hello.
can't do it.
What's that? It's just like a monster. You're just doing like that too.
Oh no. I want to.
All right. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Now, Moon, Man, do you still remember what is our last topic?
The last topic is about
It's about
report
about
the summer and winter report.
Okay, it's about how you write a report.
Report.
Yes, and now we are done on that topic, and now we're gonna proceed to we are here now in Unit 9 and 10, page 89, page 89. All right, in this unit of lesson 9 and 10, you will watch a video about energy. You will learn about resources of energy, and you will read about wind energy and an energy here. And you will write a speech about energy use, and you will have a panel discussion. Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, and now, man, there's a big question there. Where does energy come from? For you, where does energy come from?
Energy. Many things like coal,
Mm-hmm.
oil,
All right.
flow,
Mhm. All right.
sun,
Mm-hmm. Cloud,
wind, water.
wind, water. All right. That's great. Okay, now I want you to watch this video. Can you hear the sound?
No.
All right. Okay, now I want you to look at the pictures and talk about it. What things in the picture are resources of energy?
What? What?
What things in this picture are resources of energy?
What thing in the picture?
What is the energy that you see in the video, that you notice in the video?
Wind energy, solar
Mhm.
energy, hydro
Solar
energy.
energy, fossil fuels, what else? The water, the wind, there's a different forms of energy. And now, how about I want you to look at that picture. What things in the picture are sources of energy?
Source of
Hmm.
the
The
um I don't know what is
what is this?
this
It's a windmill.
windmill.
Windmill. Okay, and the energy comes from
The wind.
wind. All right, very good. How about the sun? There's a sun, right? Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Sun also has this picture comes from this energy, wind and the sun. All right, and this one is also the fabric or the electricity, right? The
Yes.
electricity. All right. And now, and now, what things use energy? What things use energy? Mm-hmm. What
Um,
things use energy? All right. The
uh,
transportation. The transportation. What do you call that one?
this is car, truck, and many things.
All
Is
right.
energy.
All right. Okay, very good. And what you call that one? It's a vehicle or transportation. Okay? Vehicle or transportation. All
Nation.
right. How about what items in your class use of energy? What items in your class use of energy?
Item.
Hmm? Use what item in your classroom use of energy? Do you have any electric fan, electricity,
I
lights,
have
aircon?
light, fan, air
Hmm.
conditioner.
All right. Very good. That is the example of item in your classroom use of energy. How about what do cars and trucks use for energy? What do cars and trucks use for energy?
Um,
The machine and the gasoline, right? If
machine.
there's no gasoline, the cars and trucks didn't work. Okay? It didn't use it. That's why gasoline or machine is the use for energy of cars and trucks. Okay, am I clear, man?
Okay.
Okay, very good. And now, what do you know about energy and what do you know to know? What do you know about energy, man? Hmm. What
And
do you know about energy?
I think it says
Hmm?
um
Hmm. What do you
I
know
don't
about
know
energy?
energy. I
Hmm.
don't know.
Why you don't know? Huh? What do you know about energy?
Energy.
Hmm.
Energy is.
Hmm.
Oh, wait. Think for one.
Energy is the capacity for doing work. Okay? If you don't have energy, you can't work. So that if you are human, right? You need to eat so that you can earn energy, right? You need to eat so that you can gain an energy and you can doing what you want to do. You can work. You can
Um,
you can work, you can walk, you can run, you can sleep. That's why you need to eat. Mm-hmm.
okay.
All right, so that you can gain energy and then you can capacity for doing work what you want to do. Okay, am I clear?
Okay.
Okay, again, what do you know about energy? Energy is a capacity for doing work. Okay, again, more man, what do you know about energy?
Energy is
Mm-hmm.
the pass
Mm-hmm.
physical
Capacity. It is a
capacity
capacity for doing
anything
doing works.
work
Okay, this one. Energy. Energy is a capacity for doing works. Okay, can you see my screen? What do you know about energy again?
energy capacity for doing work.
All right, very good. And now let's proceed to the next one. All right, here we go. Okay, you can start with the first picture. Explain to me what can you see in the first picture?
I can see a windmill,
Mm-hmm.
sailboat, wind turbine, wind farm, coal, oil, natural gas, pollution, power
Power
plant,
plant and
electricity,
All right, electricity. All right. Okay, how about the windmill? What energy comes from?
Wind
All right,
energy come
wind
from
energy. Very good. How about the sailboat?
is wind,
Wind and machine, right?
wind
The sailboat,
machine,
there's a machine too, but it usually in the wind. How about the wind turbine? Turbine.
turbine.
Mm-hmm.
There's the energy is wind
Okay,
and
wind energy, the wind farm.
is wind too.
How about the coal?
What
The coal, which energy comes from? It's
energy
from fossil fuel. Okay, from fossil fuel. How about the oil?
are
It's from the
from the
oil. Natural gas
are
is from gas. The
yes
pollution is air. All right, it's from
air
dirty
air
air or the
air
machine. From the machine, and then you're gonna go up and then make it out of a pollution. Okay, it also an a gas. How about the power plant? It's
um,
from
um,
electricity or from gas too and pollution. Okay, all of this one is are all of these are connected, and also the electricity. All of these one are connected. Okay, am I clear?
yes.
All right. Now, I want you to write the words the correct sentence, and only gas is used twice. Okay, only gas as used twice. And read your list to a partner and explain your answer. All right, okay. And but we don't have much any time to continue this one, man. Okay, I will give you an assignment and you can pass it next meeting on Tuesday. Okay?
Okay.
Clear. Okay, and don't forget that one. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay. And that's all for tonight. Okay, let's take a picture first, man. Okay. One, two. All right, wait for a while. One, two, three, smile. All right.
Wow.
Again, one more time. Okay, one, two, three. All right. That's good. Okay, thank you for your time and
Yeah.
have a good day. Bye bye. Take your time to
Bye
study.
bye.
Study more. Study well. Bye bye.
Bye bye.